Bangladesh is said to be the most cost-efficient production hub Asia has ever seen. With recent growth spurt in Bangladesh's economy, it is of utmost importance to keep the energy supply available for the industrial sectors to grow and compete with other countries in the world of trade. Unfortunately, when power lags are hindering this process, we are unable to keep our reputation in the international market. Therefore, we as a country need to come forward and save the economy by taking a few small but necessary steps to reduce the power load on the nation's energy output. Energy and power sector of Bangladesh are dependent on raw natural resources. 75% of commercial energy comes from natural gas, and 40% of the total gas resources is now utilized for grid electricity. Due to gas supply constraint, use of liquid fuel, mainly furnace oil, for power has increased. However, raw source of liquid fuel from gas condensates are not significant. Hence, crude oil and refined petroleum products are imported for use. With consuming about 50% of the total energy production, serious measures need to be taken to restrict the use of energy consumption. Sensors can be installed in houses to prevent overuse of electricity. Modern accessories such as smart home systems can prevent surplus usage by turning off appliances when not in use. We often leave a room without turning off lights and air conditioners. Smart home systems uses a sensor to track the presence of living beings inside a room. So when a person leaves, the sensors would send a signal to the system to turn off the light. This in turn saved electricity by reducing the usage rate of compressors in the AC, saving the consumers money and reducing the load of electricity demand. Another such example was the usage of timers in a shower. Just like the sensor, the timer would tone down the time taken in the shower. By doing so, the usage of hot water could be substantially used. In other words, electricity required to heat up the water. In fact, by integrating sensors into daily appliances, a huge amount of electricity can be saved, serving the purpose of both the consumer end as well as the producer end. Focus on renewable energy is gaining momentum, not at least due to many donors interested in supporting this form of energy production. Government has taken a number of initiatives to promote sustainable energy by awarding foreign investors and technology suppliers tax holiday and incentives like prioritized access to loans and other resources. Government's vision is to have 5% of the country's power supply generated by sun, wind, and biomass by 2015 and 10% by 2020. Some input energy is usually wasted in various forms, such as hot exhaust gases and steam condensate. Electrical losses occurring in motor drives, etc. As a result, the absolute minimum level of energy that is required to create a product is exceeded, and energy used per unit or finished product specific energy consumption increases, preventing energy losses, or recovering energy from waste stream reduce the total input of energy, leading to increased energy efficiency. It is important to focus both on thermal and electrical energy when aiming for efficiency improvements. Energy savings would amount to Taka 768 billion in total, or an annual average 51 billion at a current weighted average natural gas price.